Welcome to our new listing in Midmar Drive, Waterfall Country Village Estate. This house is situated on the Greenbelt and it has the most amazing views of the entire Waterfall city and the clubhouse. All of the living areas are situated with views of the Greenbelt as well as two of the bedrooms upstairs. It has a scenic swimming pool, an outside deck area with a covered patio area and a built-in braai. It's absolutely magnificent family home built for entertainment and to feel cozy and comfortable. The kitchen is super modern with loads of white cabinetry and a separate scullery with space for your appliances and a built-in fridge. From the entrance hall to the right we have a guest toilet and a separate fifth bedroom or a study with its own entrance and an ensuite bathroom with shower. The living space is open plan and it offers a living room, dining room, the open plan kitchen, scullery and the separate sitting area, formal lounge with a built-in fireplace. All of the living areas with folding doors to the outside garden and with views of the Greenbelt. All of the windows in this house are double window set in PVC framing, so this offers noise cancellation as well as climate control, so your temperature in the house remains quite even throughout the year. The house also has a double garage and it has a very special feature which is a basement or an underground den area. And that area has multiple purposes. It can be used as a very spacious domestic living quarters with a lounge, bedroom and two bathrooms. It can be used as a gym, it can be used as a play area, kiddies play area or man cave, anything you wish for, and it has two extra storerooms in there. The upstairs section has a large pyjama lounge, once again overlooking the Greenbelt with a coffee station. There are also 4 bedrooms situated upstairs. 2 of the bedrooms are en suite and the other 2 share a bathroom. All of the bedrooms have balconies, 2 of them facing the Greenbelt and the other 2 are facing the street. But being a quiet street, the bedrooms are nice and quiet as well. The bedrooms have laminate wooden flooring and overall the house just has this feeling of comfort and warmth throughout.